Have you ever wanted to diagnose your car at home instead of paying for expensive shop visits? Today we're checking out the Thinkcar ThinkScan 672, a powerful automotive scanner with full system diagnostic, bi-directional testing, reset functions, and live data. And all this without subscription. Let's see if it's worth it. And this is what it comes inside of the box. And this is the ThinkScan 672. And it comes with a case, the OBD cable with the connection comes with the manual, the cable USB-C to USB-A to charge it, and the brick to charge it. And it comes with different options for Europe, and for the United States is this one. And this is everything that comes inside the box. So it's time to test it and let's see how it works. Okay, now we're gonna see how this one works. Has a red button in the top. Hold it for like 3 seconds and now it starts. Oh, okay, so let's see again how it works. Okay, this is the Thinkcar diagnostic tool. I'm gonna put the number over here of this one. So this one, this is the first menu, has diagnosed, maintenance, upgrade, and more. Okay, so in this one, for this ones, in order to work, we have to connect it to the car. Okay, so it has this one, diagnosed, OBD, history, report, feedback, and dollar fixed community. This one is a community that you can ask questions over there. Okay, and then the maintenance, it has a lot of things to fix for your car: fuel and radio reset, ABS, lights, SRCR, suspension, airbags, the battery, the brakes, the water pump, DPF regeneration, EGR adaptation, the throttle adaptation too, gear learning, gearbox learning, the anti-theft key matching, injector code, language, sensors, odometer reset, oil reset. That's cool. Oil reset is great because some cars you will need a scan tool to reset the oil. Seat calibration, steering angle reset, stop start setting. I think you can turn it on and off in there. Sunroof initiation, the TPMS reset, start mode, transport, window calibration, and that's it. And everything is here. Okay, back. Right, the next one is the upgrade. This one, vehicle diagnostic software. Okay, it has more options for different cars. You have to download it here. Let's download it for that Toyota because that's the one I'm going to be using. Okay, right here, Toyota and Lexus download. It's downloading because that's what I want to do. All right, and then this one in maintenance software. Oh, same thing, TPMS, all reset too. The latest one, I want the latest one. The battery, download everything. Okay, I like this. It's amazing. Okay, you have to download the community new version. Let's download it. All right, and more is the settings. You have the Wi-Fi, everything in there. User, universal language, maintain, USB connection, customer service, instruction how to use it, OBD codes, library, coverage list, modules, gadgets, and Google Assistant, remote assistant. So that's everything. So it's time to test it on the car. Go. Okay, now this is the car we're gonna scan. Let's see how it works. Okay, the first thing when you're in your car, you have to find where is the OBD connection located, and I think I found it. It's in here. Yeah. So right there, that's the plug for the OBD connection. Okay, so first we have the screen, the tablet, and we have to plug this in here like this. And then the screws. I think that's good enough. Cool. So this is the connection. Just plug it on this one. Make sure it's in the right direction, like that. All right, so it is connected. First thing, I think we have to open the switch for the car. This one. We're ready. Let's see. Diagnostics has been detected. Okay, maybe later. Okay. All right, turn on the car. Let's start with the bin. Enter. Scanning. Pretty cool. It's a Toyota. 2009, that's correct, that's the big number. Cool. Notes. Okay, so automatic share, manual select. Okay, North America, Corolla, 2009. Oh, I don't know. This one, model CRE. Oh, right here, CRE. All right, that's cool. Oh, what? CRE. And then, okay, we're getting there. Health report, let's see. Scanning, engine ECT, cruise control, boom, boom, boom. No fault, no fault, no fault. Okay, you found 2 already. 3. Ooh, yeah. The TPMS, I already know the TPMS sensors are bad on the tires. So I already know that. Okay, right here. Definition loss communication. Okay. Power steering. Okay. Have to check that. And then the next one, supplement tire inflatable replacement. Yeah, that one I already know. The TPMS is bad. Have to replace them. The other one that I see that is important is this one, electric motor power steering. Oh, maybe that's why the airbag is on. Okay, let's see. Whoa, it's a lot. It's a failure of canvas wiring or connection, poor ECM power ground, malfunction. Okay, yeah, I think there's a plug on the seats that is bad, but I already tried to fix it, but I couldn't fix it. So it's nothing major. It's just the plug from the seats to the airbags. That's the only one. The other one is about the TPMS. I need to put new TPMS sensors for the wheels. So it's pretty good. It's showing the problems. That's cool. Vehicle information. That's over there. So you can find everything in here. That's cool. That's amazing. So let's go to the main. Yes, that's cool. Maintenance. On the maintenance, let's see, we can reset the TPMS right here. Enter. It might clear the code, but it's gonna come back again because the tire sensors are bad. The battery is dead of the tire sensor. So this is a Toyota. Man, it's not in alphabetical order. Toyota. Okay, it's on. Automatic search. Oh no, right here. Set the area. No, I think I did it wrong. North America, yes. Okay. North America. That's good. Yeah. Have everything, all the information. Okay. This is the test for the TPMS. Boom. Okay. I think all the sensors are not good. Okay, you can reset the sensor, but you need the codes and everything. But it's good to have all these. So that how it works. The car is fine. Only thing, it has a bad plug, and the TPMS sensors, I need to replace them. But it's cool. It's amazing to have this tool to check the car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you are a DIY mechanic, small shop owner, or someone who wants professional features without the monthly fees, this is a strong contender. It's especially valuable if you want more than just check engine codes, like action test, module resets, and deeper diagnostics. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description down below. Let me know if you like the video. Please like the video if you like it. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.